Welcome back. Well, yesterday was a great day for the market. I mean, not too many people thought that this market would rally yesterday, but there was one person who did, and he's right here with us in the studio. Anuj joins in now for a quick trade setup. Anuj, get that crystal ball out and gaze in it for us. What's the prognosis today?
Yeah, I think I'll be a billionaire in 2 years. I guess so that's what I should have.
Can you forecast for us as well, Anuj? Like, what do you think we have in store?
You know what? Every day is not a Sunday. I mean, but I'm wishing that was a premonition yesterday. But anyway, it worked out yesterday. Look, I mean, yesterday the view was that the market had become extremely oversold just in the near term, and perhaps was ripe for a bounce. And bounce it got yesterday. But look, I mean, you still have to decide what is the trend. We all know that the large-term trend is positive, and the medium-term trend is also positive. What we are perhaps not clear about right now is the short-term trend. I think the short-term trend gets clear after today's action. If you start to close about 21,665, you start to negate the negative near-term trend. And if you close above 21,741, in that case, the larger trend, the near-term trend will also improve. I've written 19 by mistake. It should be 21,741. In terms of the cues to watch, you're watching out for two cues basically: earnings and quarterly updates, and the US bond yield. The US bond yield has once again gone back to 4. Now, as long as at 4, it's okay. But if it starts to go above 4.1, 4.2, then I think there's a bit of an issue, especially with the IT stocks. The dollar index also has been inching up, though to negate that, we have the Brent crude, which has been coming down of late. The other worry that I have is that 11 stocks have entered F&O ban, and it's the 5th day of the series. So obviously, there's a lot of exuberance in the mid caps and small caps. Anyway, that's what the markets do, right? In terms of Nifty outlook, the next resistance, as I said, is 21,741, and the support now comes in at 21,550, near about yesterday's low, and also where you have the options build up as well. The bank Nifty is the one to focus on because it successfully defended its 20-day MA test. But the next move will depend on HDFC Bank's quarterly update, which should happen anytime, I guess, today or tomorrow. Here, the resistance is 48,400 to 48,450 first, and then the all-time high of 48,636. The support zone lies in 47,800 to 48,000, and then 47,200 to 47,300.
Okay, Anuj, thanks a lot for that. And once again, I mean, you really stuck your neck out yesterday. No one thought that this would be the move, but you said it and it played out. So thanks a lot for that. We'll, of course, come to you yet again and chat more on the markets in a bit. But let's